Hello, in this session we will see optimization of DFA. Optimization of DFA we have to do three types, eliminate three types of states. First type of state is unreachable states, next dead state or trap state, next indistinguishable state. We will see the problems. For every problem, first we have to do these three types of states, eliminate unreachable states, dead states and identify indistinguishable states, i.e. in a DFA, two states are there. The two states optimum DFA. Optimum DFA is a DFA which contains minimum number of states. The given DFA is optimized using the following concepts: unreachable states, dead or trap states, indistinguishable states. Unreachable state, from a state is said to be unreachable from the start state to that state there is no path, then that state is unreachable state. Consider the following diagram: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 states are there. Start state is 0. There is no path from the state 0 to 5. So the state 5 is unreachable state. Okay, see this diagram. In this diagram, Q2 and Q4 states are unreachable states. There is no path from the start state Q0 to the state Q2 and Q4. So this is unreachable state. Next, dead or trap state. A state is said to be dead state if it is not a final state and one machine moves to that state. If the machine moves to that state, then it never come from that state, i.e. there is no outgoing edge from this state. In this diagram, the state Q3 is dead state. Q3 is not a final state. Suppose the machine move to the state Q3, then it will never come that state to other state. Q3 is a dead state. Indistinguishable state. The two states of the automata are said to be indistinguishable state if there is a if the merge cannot affect the language accepted by automata. Mathematically it is defined as indistinguishable states. Okay, this is the technical definition for indistinguishable states. Distinguishable states and indistinguishable states. Go through the definition. Consider the states Q1 and Q2 for a input A. Q1 comma A equal to Q2 belongs to F and Q2 comma A Q2 belongs to F for the input to be Q2. So the state Q2 is indistinguishable state. Next problem, eliminate indistinguishable states. Identify indistinguishable states. Eliminate the indistinguishable states from the following diagram. This is the problem. First we have to identify all the final states are one state and the non-final states are another state, like that. We have to first we will process the subset 2, 3, 4. Two sets are there. Initial set by considering all the final states are one set and non-final states are another set. Prove that the subset 2, 3, 4. For the 2, 3, 4, we have to identify whether it is distinguishable or indistinguishable. Okay, for the input A, on 2 input A is 4, on 3 input A is 5, on 4 input A next state is 4. For the input A on the states, it goes to the another subset 1, 5. So it can be partitioned. So it can be partitioned or not. How we will decide? 4, 5, 4. For the input 2, 4. The next state, basing on these values, we can decide whether it can be partitioned or not. 4, 5, 4. For 2, 4 we will go to the one set and 5 it will go to the other set. So 2, 4 is one set and 3 is one set. For the input A on the state 3 it goes to the other subset 1, 5. So it can be partitioned. Now we form the new state 2, 4, 3. 2, 3, 4 can be divided into 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. Pi is not equal to pi nu. Now pi equal to pi nu. Now the updated value of pi is this one. Now we will see whether 2, 4 is indistinguishable or not. For the input A, 2, 8 is 4, 4, 8 is 4. For the input B, 2, B is 1, 4, B is 4. For the input B on the state 2, it does not another subset, so it cannot be partitioned. In this way we can do the partitions. This is the problem. At the description of this video link I have the material for this problem. Okay, next second problem, minimize the DFA. Unreachable states. In the diagram, Q5 is unreachable state, eliminated. Indistinguishable states. All the final states are one set, non-final states are another set. Q0, Q1, Q2. For Q0 on 0, Q1, according to 0, we cannot partition the set Q0, Q1, Q2. According to the input 1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Q2. Q2 is in one set, Q3, Q4 is are in another set. Here Q2 is in one set, Q3, Q4 are one set. So Q1, Q2 is one set, Q2 is another set. For the input 1, Q1, Q2 of the machine moves to the Q3, Q4. So it can be partitioned. This is a new partition set. Same process we can do whether Q1, Q2. States Q1, Q2 are indistinguishable because Q1 on 0, Q2, Q1 on 1, Q3, Q4. It is not possible to partition that set Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, this is the final minimized transition diagram. Here the problem is that we have to divide the set or not. We will see the definition clearly. Minimize the following. This is the second, next problem on minimization of DFA. That the description of the link, this notes is there. Go through this problem. If you have any doubts, call to me. Next, this is the third problem on DFA. Minimize the following DFA. 5 states are there. All states are reachable. No unreachable states. Here initially pi values can be considering. All the final states are one set and non-final states are another set. Here 1, 5. 2, 3, 4. Here 4, it is not there. Here it is wrong, in the diagram wrong is there. It is not a final state 4. 2, 3, 4 is one set and 1, 5 is one set. Here the main task is minimization of DSA, whether we can partition or not. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, whether it can be partitioned or not. If for the input A, if all of them are go to the same state, means it cannot be partitioned. For some states will go to one state, one subset, another states will go to the another subset, means those can be partitioned. Next, two-way DFA. A mathematical model of a machine with ability. What is a two-way DFA? A head can be moved from whenever the reading the input, head moves to the left. In two-way DFA, head can be moved from left or right. Then it is called two-way DFA. The head of a machine, automata, move in two directions. Then it is called two-way DFA. Two-way DFA can be represented current state, input state, new state. The direction of the head moves left means left or right. This is the two ways of representation of two-way DFA. Okay, example diagram for the two-way DFA. State Q0. If the input is 0, the head moves towards right. If the input is 1, the head moves towards right. Like that, this is the two-way DFA diagram. Consider a two-way DFA. This is one of the transition table for two-way DFA. So that accepted the above. Check whether this DFA accepts the string 11001010. If it reaches the final state, it will accept. Otherwise, it is not. Final state is Q9 after processing this string. Okay, this is the example two-way DFA. Mathematically, two-way DFA can be defined as two-way DFA Q cross sigma to Q DFA. The transition function of the DFA is Q cross sigma to Q. Here the transition function is Q cross sigma 2 because head moves towards left or right direction. That's why L comma R. Okay, today all of them do the problems on minimization of DFA. In next section, we are starting from question 1, question 2, question 3. Next session we will see the unit 6. Next, what is the time complexity or non-deterministic polynomial time algorithms, decision problems and decision problems, and unit 6. From next onwards, we will see last question to bottom to up. Thank you.